Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So, big thing to think about, something we don't think about often enough. Target market. We take it for granted. I know the first couple of years when Tony and I were running our company, I think we just took whatever came our way. We just were grateful. I don't care if it was on call, far away, once a week, not even the kind of cleaning we wanted to do. We took anything. It's probably pretty common when you're first getting started, but it would be a good idea to think about your target market instead in the beginning. But also, even along the way, stop. Every year, take a minute and say, should we change exactly who we're going after? For example, in the end, Tony and I determined, listen, we need to go after building owners who need to have recurring, frequent cleaning. Not want, need. So, for example, maybe we'd be cleaning an industrial or manufacturing facility, plant locker room, plant restrooms, and so on. I mean, they have a lot of workers using the facilities. They don't want to have cleaning. Maybe they need to have cleaning. That's what we wanted. So, and we wanted it to be recurring, not on call, not once in a while. Every week, some frequency, which is the next point, frequent cleaning. Now, in the beginning, we might have gone a minimum of once a week. Eventually, we worked up to 2 or 3 days a week, so that maybe 3 to 5 days a week ultimately was the goal of the frequency. So needing to have recurring, frequent cleaning. Why? Because then we could fill the job and offer a job to somebody that was substantial, that it justified in their mind. And listen, I'll take that part-time job Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 6 o'clock in the evening till 9 o'clock. That was good for them, and then they stayed longer. So the turnover was down and quality was up because they liked the job, took pride in it. So something to think about in the beginning or even over all the years is your target market. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.